Violence has been rising in Afghanistan as foreign forces begin withdrawing and efforts to broker a peace settlement between the Afghan government and insurgent Taliban have slowed. United Nations is preparing for a likely further displacement of civilians in Afghanistan after US and international troops leave the country in September.
The United Nations is preparing for a likely further displacement of civilians in Afghanistan after US and international troops leave the country in September, UN Refugee Chief Filippo Grandi said on Monday. There are currently some 2.5 million registered refugees from Afghanistan globally, while another 4.8 million have been displaced within the country, according to the UN refugee agency UNHRC, which Grandi heads. After 20 years, the United States has started a withdrawal of its remaining 2,500 troops in Afghanistan and aims to be completely out of the country by September 11. Violence has been rising in Afghanistan as foreign forces begin withdrawing and efforts to broker a peace settlement between the Afghan government and insurgent Taliban have slowed.
And with the withdrawal of the international troops, this is possibly or likely going to become worse, and therefore we are doing contingency planning inside the country for further displacement and in neighboring countries in case people might cross borders. However, what is also very important to note is that there are talks between the Taliban and the government, and it is important that the international community supports these talks so that they can get to a positive conclusion.
Meanwhile, US President Joe Biden at a press conference after the NATO leaders summit in Brussels on Monday said the alliance will continue its support to Afghans after the withdrawal of international troops from the country. NATO leaders, in a statement issued from the Brussels summit, affirmed their commitment to continue to stand with Afghanistan, its people and its institution in promoting security and upholding the hard-won gains of the last 20 years. US-backed Afghan forces toppled the Taliban in late 2001 for refusing to hand over al-Qaeda leader Osama bin Laden after the September 11, 2001 attacks on the United States.